the last way of customizing your Camtasia Studio is what I call creative customization. Under this option of creative customization is making modifications on the existing template according to what you actually require. For example, you may actually remove one of these. You may remove one of the items here as you desire and customize it according to what you need. So let's say I'm able to remove one of the titles as the author created. I'm also able to make changes on this background color by going to the properties section and reducing the opacity. And as you can see, if I reduce the opacity by 50%, the picture on the background, let's say it was a video on the background, I'll be able to see this video or this picture appearing on the background with a title, and it looks quite attractive. So I can do all this customization. I can decide probably to do away with this video here, the animated motion graphics background, and as you can see the image now remains on the background. So there are many things that you can customize here. You can also change the way the text is being animated in, and you can do this via this the properties section. You click on behavior properties, and as you can see the behavior is fading. I can change this to grow or to something different, or to none, for let's say inch, and you'll see that the animations, the way it's animated in has changed. I can decide that during the video this animation is pulsating or pulsate, and you can see that it's like zooming in and out, it's twisting around, the text is twisting around. So there's a lot of creative things that you can do under this motion graphics templates for Camtasia 2020-2021. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you. If this tutorial was helpful to you, let me know in the comments below here. Until next time, take care. Follow me on Twitter at Cheptionyi. Looking for professional video production services? Request a quote on www.techtubestudio.com.